Westmead. It sounds like you've chosen treat. So in the spirit of Halloween, we've chosen something a little bit sweet and super DIY. This is a craft project that you can do at home. All you need is 1 part PVA glue and 1 part shaving cream. You mix that all together. Add a dye of your choice. We've gone with red to make a fairy floss pink. And now we're going to mix it all together. And here is one that we prepared earlier. And now we can paint with this. Now you can't eat it, although it does look really good. But here you go, ready? Look at that! That is the fluffiest, gooeyest paint I've ever seen. Thanks so much for joining us.